Objectives of the study. The first one is to investigate the natural nature in our environment. The second one is to identify the grass species in the study area. The third one is to investigate the coverage of grass in fieldwork site. The last one is to understand the application of materials used.
Now, for the research question, number 1 is how to identify the diversity of grass species at study area. And number 2 is how to identify the percentage of grass coverage at study area. So, we can see the...
For the material and apparatus that we will be using in this experiment are strings, paper, wooden pads, shorter paper, hammer, scientific calculator, measuring tape, and magnifying glass.
Study area. Following the instruction, we have been tasked to do it in our hometown. This is the list where it will be done. For Nur Imran bin Cik Hamid, he will be doing study at field in Kamunting, Perak. Erna Yusniza at Harum Manis Orchard in Batu Bertangku, Perlis. Muhammad Arif Aiman at Franyat in Kampung Jeram, Kuala Terengganu. Muhammad Ashraf Hafiz at field in Muazzam Shah, Pahang. Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad Mokhtar at field in Upsi, Perak. And Nur Izzati Zulaika at backyard in Kampung Sangalada, Labuan.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Hafiz and Muhammad Mokhtar, and today I would like to share the list of the equipment and the material that we need in our fieldwork. This is the equipment that we use in our fieldwork. The first one is a chopstick, next is a hammer, and then is a marker pen. We also need a measuring tape. Then we also always need a notebook, also paper. Then we use a camera and a stapler and raffia rope and also a calculator. So this is the equipment that we use in our fieldwork. Thank you.
Quadrat sampling method. First, identify the location and then measure 10 meter times 4 meter of study area using measuring tape and make 1 meter times 1 meter square quadrat inside the study area and mark the quadrat using nail and string. Number the quadrat and randomly pick the number. And last, observe types and number of species in each quadrat.
Health and safety precaution. Before doing the fieldwork, we must identify the potential hazard at fieldwork place. Second, we must make sure wear the proper attire suitable with the condition. Third, make a checklist for equipment and prepare a minimum equipment. Fourth, always prepare the first aid kit for emergency. When doing the fieldwork activities, make sure avoid the hazard and choose a safety place. Make sure follow all the guidelines and procedure of work correctly. After that, clean and organize your workplace.
For time management, we start at 8 a.m. until 12 p.m. At 8 a.m., the activities are breakfast, exercise, get ready, and head to research area. Starting from 9 a.m. until 10 a.m., we will be planning and prepare material and setting up fieldwork area. At 11 a.m., research will begin for quadrant sampling. At 12 p.m. until 4 p.m., there are lunch, rest, and preparation. 4 p.m. until 5 p.m., research for transect sampling. 5 p.m. until 6 p.m. is for disassemble and cleaning the fieldwork area. Starting from 6 p.m. until 12 p.m., we will take a rest.